Hello loves, I'm Stephanie Itzel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me easy spring look. It's gonna be kind of like just very easy. I almost fell, my bad. Very easy spring kind of orange like pink look with a lip gloss. Just very simple. So if you want to see how I got this, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and just spread the word, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Alright, so I'm gonna start with my skincare, which I already prepped my face. So my face is pretty, excuse me if I'm gonna be like turning because I had to do like a whole nother setup. So I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This has been one of my favorites lately. I really like it because it just really fills in my pores. Excuse my face, by the way. I tried this new like tanning water and it just didn't go well. My skin's like all blotchy and I don't get it because it's like nice and smooth, so I guess like it didn't really work out. But maybe it'll look better if I use full coverage. I'm just trying to get my tan on, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This foundation is a little bit dark for my skin, but it is full coverage, so that's why I am kind of using this one, because it's gonna even everything out. I'm just kind of gonna do a random, you know, look today. Nothing like planned. I'm just gonna get ready as we go. I'm not really going anywhere. I've been slacking on the videos and I apologize. There's been some rearranging in my life that I had to do. And I am taking care of it, so that's all that matters. Dang, I haven't used this foundation in a minute. I'm ready to go all the way down. But it is pretty dark for my skin, but oh my god, before it used to be even like darker, I guess. But I put a lot on, so just make sure you just really just dang, I forgot how much I like this foundation. I like it. So this is just like a get ready with me. This is gonna be my first get ready with me that I ever do on this channel. I haven't done one yet and I've been wanting to, so yeah. I should have bought a mirror earlier when I was at Target, but I didn't because I forgot. So just make sure that's really well blended. Then I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in light medium and in light, and I'm gonna mix them and just put them throughout. I feel like I have too much foundation on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this a different beauty blender that I haven't used yet. I'm going to blend away because I don't want it to look all blotchy. Like sometimes when I put on too much foundation, it just like looks like too blotchy. So what I do is, if you feel like you have too much foundation on, which that happens a lot of the case, I just take another beauty blender or just wash the one that you used and just rub it in with water and then just do that, and then just go in a little bit. Voila. Oh my god, did I cover up the mirror? I'm sorry. This is the NYX Wonder Stick. This is the only cream contour I have. I'm thinking about buying like a expensive high-end one. Oh, that's a lot lower. Just go like that. And then I also go like this. And like this. And if I want like a butt chin, I'm just kidding. And then I just go in with the beauty blender again and just blend. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Definer in Soft Brown. This is like my ultimate. Now we're gonna prime the eyes, and I'm gonna also fix my eyebrows because my eyebrows are just looking a disaster right now. Like, I just messed them up so bad. I'm sure you can tell. And I am using the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Eye Primer. Then I'm also going to use the P. Louise base for the eye, which is going to help just kind of cancel out all of my like little veins that I have. This is like really white. I always have these on hand, like to wipe my fingers. I think it's important to like, you know. The reason I'm not putting on powder right away is because I kind of want this to dry and to like set into my skin. And that's why I'm going to use Smashbox Photo Finish. And I'm just gonna spray everything so I could just set. Whew. I just feel like my skin is just kind of blotchy right now, and I don't get it at all. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a single eyeshadow by Anastasia that is called Suede, and I'm just going to just cover the whole lid with this transition shade. Morphe 573, and I'm gonna go in with Peach Crush from Sydney Grace, and I'm just gonna do this all over the lid. And you know what? I am gonna go in with powder underneath the eye because this needs to set, especially if I'm gonna do eyeshadow, and I don't want it to have to I'm gonna do like a summer look. I'm gonna try to stay glossy. So now I'm just gonna look at my face and just try to decide what else I need. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with bronzer. Now, I don't want to kind of do too much of a crazy bronze look. I'm doing like a peachy summer look, so I'm just gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs bronzer. Put any eyeliner on. I am gonna use the new NARS Exposed Cheek palette. I just got it. Beautiful palette. And I'm just gonna take like a little bit of water in my fingers, and I'm actually gonna use my hands for the blush because I want like a nice sun-kissed look. And I'm not setting any of my face except for under my eyes because I want it to look like that glossy, like, you know, sun-kissed look. So I'm literally just taking these 3 shades and I'm just gonna put them on my cheek. So I just like have a little bit of water in my hand. It's not that much, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna like just play with these. And I'm just gonna just do a little bit like this. And then just a little bit on this side too. It just looks more natural because your hand kind of warms it up. And then I'm also gonna kind of like move it. And then like if it looks like it's too intense, which it kind of is, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just kind of just, you know, go over it. You know, you always want that, like, I don't know how I got a sparkle. Okay, you always want that like sun-kissed glow. I mean, that looks pretty good. So I'm trying to think of what else. Highlighter. You can't forget highlighter. I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to take Summer, and I'm gonna mix Moonstone too. And I'm just going to mix the two and just do a little bit just on the high tops of my face. Okay, right here. And then I'm gonna take water again, just very lightly, and just kind of go over the highlight. And for mascara, I'm gonna use the Voluminous Lash Paradise, which I've talked about plenty of times. and the Better Than Sex after that. Then I'm going to take the NYX Professional Makeup White liner, and I'm just going to line the waterline of the inside of my eye, which I should have done way earlier, but this is going to make your eyes look bigger. I love doing this. I feel like it really makes a difference. See? Now I'm going to go in with the Kylie Jenner Coco K lip liner and just line my lips and then fill them. I know a lot of people don't like her products. To be honest, I've only used her lip kits. And you see how they do this? I personally kind of like that because you can use it as like lipstick. But honestly, her lip, excuse me, sorry. Her lip kits, like her actual liquid lips, they kind of suck. I always just buy these, and I buy this in like caramel, coconut, Coco K. This is Coco K, and then Candy K. Exposed, they don't sell it alone anymore. I think it's because the lip liners probably do better than the actual, like, so that's what it looks like. And then now to like make it glossy and like beautiful, and I'm gonna take the Anastasia lip gloss in Sunset Strip. It's a very glossy orange look, and I just felt like it would really go together with the Coco K because it has like a pink undertone. So this is the final look. Don't forget to use the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. And when after you spray, I kind of like to go in and just like really make sure everything is good. And that is the